Hi guys, and we've got our Millipede, which we're just giving him for a little walk in our back garden to have some space for a bit. Yeah, we might start doing it often to give him a little exercise. And he's just walking about. And he has all these stripes, so cool. No, he's folded up in a ball. But when we get scared, guys, we could. When we curl up in a ball, guys, it means like with a predator, so a predator can't fit the big ball in the mouth. You know what I mean? So he's heading the other way, this way now. And they're called train millipedes because they look like a train. And he's just so cool. And he has them antenna sensing because I'm not sure if they have eyes. I don't think so. So we use them to feel that what's this way because they think they can only see straight. So anything what's the other way, they can feel. And yeah, they have millions of red legs. And they have a nice black and red stripe. I don't know if you can see it on the camera because I can't see properly from here, but I can see a little bit like a brownish reddy and a black stripe. And he has red antennas as well. He has a really black head. And yeah, I told you before, curl up when predator try to come. So we'll end today's video today. So we'll see you next one. Bye.